sideways. All right, so we're looking at number 14. And it's a little complex, but that's okay. Because the same rules apply no matter what. Stay with me, because if you can do these two that we're about to do, you can do all the rest. So, what is the first thing I want to do? That I do for every single problem? What do I do? What do I do? Do my squiggles. Why? The point of that is to divide your sides. So that you don't forget that whatever you do to one side, you must what? Do to the other. Right? Now, what am I solving for? X. So I want this X by itself. But I got a problem. Because this is my variable side. This is everything else. I don't want anything on my variable side except that X. So what I got to get rid of? That negative 4. And what else? Y plus 2. And that Y plus 2 is kind of together, right? So I'm thinking to myself, which one do I want to get rid of first? And that's going to be whichever one is farthest from the variable. So now, negative 4 is on the same floor. Y plus 2 is downstairs. So who is farthest away? Y plus 2. So that's the one I'm going to get rid of first. Are y'all with me?
Yes.
It's furthest away. So now how am I going to get rid of it? Well, what's the relationship if we see a line and numbers under it? What's that operation?
Division.
So how do we undo division? Multiplication. So I'm going to get rid of whatever using the opposite operation. Y'all with me?
Yes.
So watch this. Let me move this 14 out of the way. Watch this. I am going to, since this is being divided by Y plus 2, I'm going to multiply by what? Y plus 2. Because doesn't multiplication undo division?
Yes.
Yes? And whatever you do to one side, you must what?
Do it on the other.
So I'm going to go over here and multiply by what? Y plus 2. Let's talk about that. Why am I doing that? It don't matter that it's an expression. It doesn't matter that it's not just one number. The rules are the same. If something is divided, how do you undo division? Multiplication. So this is divided, so I'm going to multiply. Now watch what happens. What happens when you got Y plus 2 in the numerator and Y plus 2 in the denominator? What happens to these two? They cancel out. So I'm done with that. I done moved that out of the way. Are y'all with me?
Yes.
Now let's look and see what I got left. What do I have left? X minus 4, because that's gone, equals what? Write what you see. What is it? 5 times Y plus 2. Remember, this is literal equations. We got more than one variable. Are y'all following me?
Yes.
It's gonna look crazy, but that's okay. All right. Now, am I done?
No.
No, Haley, you with me? I'm not done. I still need to get X what? By itself. What is still around X that I need to get rid of? Negative 4. How am I gonna get rid of this negative 4? Plus 4. And whatever I do to one side, I must what? I'm gonna add 4 over here. Now, what happens to negative 4 and positive 4? They cancel out. You back it up? Okay. So what do I have left over here? What do I have left? X equals. Now, read what you got. And remember, you got to put things in the order that you put them over there. What do we have over here first? 5. What do we do to the 5? Multiplied it by what? Y plus 2. And what was the last thing we did? Added 4. So we got to make sure it says just that. So we're going to have what? 5. And then we're going to multiply it by what? Y plus 2. And then we're going to do what? Add 4. And now we are done. We ain't got to check. How you going to check it? There's no values. Right? We don't need to plug anything in. For this is a linear equation. Remember, what is the goal of linear equations? Is to get the one variable that you're solving for by itself. Did we get X by itself? Then we're done. We don't care what none of this come out to be. We can't figure that out. We don't know the numbers. We don't know what Y is. So we got to leave it just like that. Long as X is by itself, we're done. Your goal is to solve and get the variable by itself. Sirs, I'm recording. It's going to take y'all whole conversation and everybody going to hear it when I post it. So, I am. Let's keep going. Are we all good here? Yes. Let's do this next one together. I want to do the next one together. What's the next number? 16. Let's look at number 16.
The weather report is the temperature at 35 degrees Celsius. Find the equivalent temperature in degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, so they gave us a formula in degrees Celsius. It says C equals?
It says
F equals. So they gave us a formula in degrees Fahrenheit, and they want us to find it, rewrite it for degrees Celsius, right? So they want us to get C by itself. Do everybody understand that?
Yes.
Let's walk through this. Let's walk through this. So what is 16? What does it say? What's the formula?
F equals 9 over 5 16 plus 32.
Yes, what she said. So watch this. What do we have? Fahrenheit. Stay with me. Fahrenheit equals 9/5 times C. Y'all follow me?
Yes.
Plus 32. I'm just reading the problem. Fahrenheit equals 9/5 times C. How do I know this is multiplication? They're connected. They're side by side, right? Plus 32. Are y'all following me?
Yes.
My goal is to get C by itself. Let's draw this squiggly. Come on. What side are my variables on? The left or on the right?
This side.
The right. So I'm going to put V over here, everything else over here. That means the only thing I want on the right is what? C.
They're not asking us to solve this issue.
What are they asking us to solve with then?
Solve the problem, not decimal standards. I'm reading, what y'all, I'm reading a couple books.
Nah, bro, you need something different.
It says find the equivalent temperature in degrees Fahrenheit.
That's true. He's correct. Because for this one, it's saying it's giving us that the temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. So they want us to plug in the 35 degrees and find the thing, right? Right, you're right. But we're gonna solve for Celsius, okay? So let's go. But you're right. So let's go. Everybody ready? Yes. All right. So let me get C by itself. What do I need to do? What is around C that I want to get rid of? 9/5. And what else? 32. Which one am I going to get rid of first? 32. How am I going to get rid of that 32? Negative 32. So I'm going to do what? Subtract 32 on both sides. These are going to cancel out. Are y'all with me? Yes? Now, tell me what I got left. F minus 32. Good. Does everybody see how we got that? Yes. Equals what? 9/5 multiplied by C. And those two canceled out. Now, we're not done because we still don't have this C by itself. Now, watch this. I want to tell you something. Y'all get scared to death about these fractions. But these fractions, they don't mean nothing to me. And I'm going to tell you why. Because a fraction is simply two operations. It's you multiplying and dividing. And that's it. You're multiplying by the numerator and you're dividing by the denominator. That's it. I'm going to show you what I mean. What is half of 10? 5. Now watch this. What's 10 times 1? 10. Divide that by 2. That's it. So what is a fraction? A fraction, all you're doing is taking a number, multiplying it by the numerator, and dividing it by the denominator. That is it. So instead of stating it as a fraction, just break it up into two operations. Are y'all with me? So what is this technically saying? It's saying, Haley, that C, you so busy. I need you to unbusy yourself so I can stop being distracted. Stop packing up.
I'm not packing up.
You just put your cord in your bag.
It was already in my bag.
Okay, just focus. So this is C times 9 divided by what? 5. That's it. So they're saying some number is being multiplied by 9 and divided by what? 5. So watch this. What is the opposite of multiplication? Division. So watch this. Stay with me. Where do I put something if I'm dividing by it? Do I put it in the numerator or the denominator? So I'm going to put a 9 down here. If they multiply by 9, then I want to do what? If I want to undo that, what do? Divide by 9. They divided by 5. Right? How do I undo division? So I'm going to put a 5 right here. In middle school, this is what you learn, hopefully. That to divide by a fraction, you multiply by its reciprocal. Y'all heard the word reciprocal? What's the reciprocal of 9 over 5? 5 over 9. It just means flip it. Are y'all following? So to undo a fraction, All you gotta do is, nope, not that keep change flip stuff. No. So 9/5, how do I break that up? I multiply by the opposite. Because guess what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen to these 9s? Cancel out, because I got one in numerator, one in denominator. What's gonna happen? You used to keep trying to find these shortcuts, girl. Kill that baby math. What's gonna happen to these 5s? Cancel out. Now watch this. Whatever you do to one side, you must what? We multiply by 5/9. So what are we gonna do over here? Multiply by what? 5/9. Are y'all following? So then what do we have left? Watch what I write real quick. 5/9 times what? F minus 32 equals C. And I'm done. And what property would I use to rewrite this?
Equation is
What's that property that says I can switch these over the equal sign and write it as C equals? Symmetric. Symmetric property. All right, guys, back up. Can you?